I know I say this lots, but I'll tell you, a trend I'm seeing in the market right now is it's a pause of there's lots of listings out there. We got over 6 months of inventory currently sitting in York region, and the buyers seem to be all pulled back. There's this narrative out there, I think, that goes through people's mind. I'm going to wait until the market comes down. Well, here's the thing though. The thing that actually makes the market go down is price, right? We all talk about when the price goes up. Well, how does the price go up? Because it happens, usually it's through some type, what we've seen in the GTA over the last decade, it's a lot of times it happens in bidding, right? So when inventory levels are really low, then all of a sudden bidding starts happening on a lot of houses and it pushes the price up, which comes and sets a new precedent. Well, and I say this, it's so logical to me, and I tell people all this all the time, good deals or price adjustments, they don't happen in real estate as the market now is coming down. Everybody expects the market's going to come down this year. And a lot of people want to wait because they want to find the bottom, which literally, unless you're the guy from The Big Short, it's virtually impossible to do, unless you're some type of analyst, in my opinion, or you're really a data miner. But the reality is what actually changes the market is offers. Once those offers are accepted, they set a new precedent. And then subdivisions, neighbors, when people are listing their houses, they will correspondingly adjust down. And so it's not sitting in your armchair looking at Realtor.ca bitching about the market and how expensive things are that's actually going to change. Or the one that a lot of people I hear very often is, well, how are my kids going to afford houses? Those questions don't do anything. What does something is action. And so it's exactly the same, but in reverse for when prices are going up, people are running into the market. They're bidding on the very few houses that are out there listed for sale because things are moving so quick. Well, in a market like this, where we have over 6 months of inventory, the way that you start seeing the price trend come down is to offer on those properties. So when you see a property that is clearly overpriced for the market, if you like it, I tell this to everybody, let's write the offer. Let's get the thing in. All they can say is no. So again, it's the exact same thing as when prices go up. How do they go up? Offers. And how do we get prices to come back down? Offers, except they're going this way, right? That's the reality of it, is offers bring prices down, not staring at the market waiting. So this video obviously is speaking to people that are truly wanting to move into the market right now and make that change, not the ones that are just, well, maybe I'll do something next year.